Hey folks, this is Raul here at Worldwide RV, the Jayco dealership in Mesa, Arizona, and today I want to show you a new travel trailer for 2025, the Jayco J-Feather Micro, the 166 FBS. This is an ideal floor plan for a couple that have a maximum tow rating on their vehicle for 5,000 pounds. This unit is 4,000 pounds dry and 5,000 pounds fully loaded, and I'm going to show some of the really nice features about it. First of all, it's a very short unit. You're looking at about 18 feet. 19 feet end to end, vacuum bonded fiberglass. It's got the climate shield rated for 4 seasons. It's a really nice feature. Really good ground clearance. Comes from the Baja package where that flips the axles, gives it really good ground clearance. Unit comes with its own griddle that mounts right here. American made Goodyear tires with 6-year product warranty. Flip steps inside that keep your ground clearance below. All LED lights inside and outside. Magnum truss roof system. It's got a hitch on the back that is only used for weight this way, and it's rated for 250 pounds of weight that you can put on the hitch. Ideal for mountain bikes, e-mountain bikes, anything like that. Unit also has outside shower, tank flush, must have. American made Dexter axles with self-adjusting electric brakes and easy lube bearings. One of my favorite things about it is the on-demand hot water. Not only it's on-demand hot water, but it's 60,000 BTUs, which is more than anybody else out there. Again, metal slam latches and battery disconnect. The unit's also pre-wired for side and backup camera if you like to use that. And integrated A-frame, something we're quite proud of here at Jayco, and dual propane bottles of 20 pounds each, 40 pounds of propane. Here we are on the inside of the 166 FBS, and a lot of very nice features inside. 15,000 BTU AC, which is almost overkill for a unit of this size. It has lots of storage, for example, here behind the TV. TV obviously can turn around so you can watch it from the bed. The couch folds flat into an extra bed. Cup holders, and one of my favorite features about it, also comes with an outside table, weatherproof outside table. This unit is also equipped with solar panels, 200 watts of solar, wired for 500, so if you're adding more batteries, you can add more solar as well. Decent counter space as well. 3-burner stove. Very nice feature, again, new for 2025, is the new generation fridge with the freezer at the bottom. 12-volt fridge. Really roomy bathroom, which again has a sink in the bathroom, which is quite nice for a small travel trailer. A couple other nice things about this unit is, for a small single axle, this unit carries 55 gallons of fresh water, which is really good, especially like to do a lot of dry camping. And it does have surprisingly lots of storage. For example, there's really good storage underneath here, the couch, and underneath the TV. And you have quite a bit of storage underneath the bed as well, and more storage above the bed. For Jayco's, this unit has 2-year limited warranty on the coach and 3-year structural, best in the industry. If you'd like to see it in person, this or any other units, please stop by. Be more than happy to show them to you.